Have you been dreaming of starting your own earth-friendly business one day? But you have not figured out what kind of business model? There is an important question every new business owner should ask themselves. Which business can solve a problem or need in the world? Starting your own business can be an exciting project, but it also requires time, resources, and energy. If you're itching to start something new, but you're still trying to find the perfect idea, check out these 10 earth-friendly business ideas you can start today. Before we jump in, you are watching Bloom Today, the YouTube channel that empowers you to level up your lifestyle. If you want to see more inspirational videos like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to never miss any updates. Number 10. Online freelance design. Do you have experience in the creative field as a graphic designer or illustrator? If you have access to a computer and internet connection, it is actually quite easy to start your own online freelance business these days. This could be anything from logos design to illustrating a children's book. Working online allows you to work remotely from any place in the world. Now you can work for amazing clients, while creating your own routine and planning without the 9-to-5 restrictions. There are many platforms where you can offer your skills like 99 Designs, CrowdSpring, Freelancer and Dribble for open freelance jobs. Number 9. Open an earth-friendly restaurant. Many people love to go out for dinner and more people are demanding a sustainable option. Have you ever dreamt of opening your own restaurant? By incorporating sustainable practices into your kitchen, you not only reduce costs but also win eco-friendlier customers. For example, composting food scraps is a great way to recycle and save money on trash removal. And by using biodegradable materials for packaging and serving utensils, you can reduce waste that ends up in landfills. Plus, it's a good business idea to go green with your decorating choices. There are plenty of ways to use recycled or repurposed items as decorations. One last tip, when possible, purchase locally organic grown foods from farmers markets or other local sources. It helps you get fresher produce and support small businesses at the same time. Number 8. Start a sustainable travel agency. While many people dream of getting paid to travel, a sustainable travel agency may be one of your best options for a new business. Most people can't afford vacation time or luxury travel, but what about someone to plan and book that trip? This business idea capitalizes on interest in traveling sustainably by providing services from location research and flight planning to booking hotels and transportation. The business owner would work with clients to create an itinerary based on their interests and budget, then find ways to make it all happen, with less of an impact on Mother Earth. For example, using public transportation instead of renting a car is better for both you and your wallet. Or think about working with small local businesses to have a real experience while supporting the local community. Number 7. Create an online course. If you're an expert in a certain field, creating a digital course to sell online can be very lucrative. According to research done by SkilledUp, more than 200,000 students have enrolled in an online course with Udemy alone, not to mention other sites like Skillshare or Coursera. What makes these platforms so appealing is that they give anyone with something valuable to share, be it knowledge, skills or experience, the opportunity to earn money through teaching their expertise. Even better, you can start earning money right away through platforms like Udemy where students pay upfront for access to courses. So why don't you start sharing your skills today? Number 6. Start a plastic bottle recycling business. Plastic bottles can be melted down and reused to create new items, saving time and money. Plastic bottles are an affordable business idea that anyone can try. To get started, collect plastic bottles from family members, friends, local businesses, and neighbors. Once you have enough, drive them to a recycling facility that accepts plastic or head online to research drop-off sites in your area. Sites like TerraCycle will even pay you for used plastic. Or you can even create your own recycle station with the Precious Plastic Universe created by Dave Hackins. You can start or join one of these precious plastic spaces in your town and start tackling the plastic waste problem. Number 5. Sell reusable shopping bags. If you're looking for a business idea that will have low startup costs and could earn you some income, then you may want to consider starting a business selling reusable shopping bags. Reusable bags made from organic cotton are sturdy and will last for many years, so if you do your market research correctly, there is no reason why they won't be profitable. You can charge $3 to $5 per bag, which can generate a decent profit. A lot of grocery stores offer a small discount these days for customers who bring their own bags. This means you would need to sell at least 100 bags each month to make around $1,000 in profit. Try to team up with your local supermarket to sell your unique reusable shopping bags. Number 4. Open your own thrift store. Thrift stores, or charity shops as they're often called in Europe, are a fun and sustainable way to make money. People donate used items like clothing, electronics, home goods, and all kinds of things that would otherwise end up on a landfill. While some thrift stores resell donated items for profit, others simply offer low-cost merchandise to shoppers who want to save money while helping out their community. Whatever your reason for opening a thrift store, it can be an interesting business model that helps you save money while also giving back. Consider opening your thrift store online through Etsy.com, so you don't have to rent out a physical space. Number 3. Sell used books online. Everyone is reading more than ever before, but many of us don't have room for all those books. Platforms such as Valori Books or Amazon.com offer you the opportunity to sell second-hand books on any topic you can think of. All you need to do is send in or upload your used books and wait for an offer. Number 2. Rent out your stuff. Set up a website and start renting out your stuff. Maybe you have an old laptop sitting in your closet, or a nice set of golf clubs that can be used by someone else. Renting out your unwanted belongings is one of many ways to make extra money from home, and with sites like Airbnb, it's easier than ever before. When you rent out space on your property, you get to charge for things like location, food provided, and cleaning services. You can also consider renting out your car during the hours that you don't need it yourself. Number 1. Start your own tree planting business. You can help other companies offset their carbon footprint by planting trees. Did you know that planting trees is one of the most effective solutions to battle climate change? One tree can absorb up to 22 kilograms of CO2 per year. And it doesn't stop there, because planting trees also help restore soil quality, retain water, and regenerate biodiversity. You can partner with tree planting partners across the world who work with local communities and reduce poverty. So the more trees you plant for your clients, the better for the planet. So these are 10 great recommendations for starting your own earth-friendly business. If you're still thinking about investing in yourself, this is a solid indicator that you should go for it. We hope this video inspired you to level up your lifestyle. Join the Bloom Today community by subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get an update on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.